This is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. I'm going to start off with that. Today, my fair people, it's the day off. A little early in the week. I don't like early days off like this. I like them better on Saturdays. You know, I get 2 days to do stuff. But today, whew, last of the rafters are going up. Just so we see what the greenhouse is looking like. Let me get in the shade. And, you know, give you guys an idea of what my completion is. Listen to this. This is why I love the country. These trees behind me, I am going to put a bench right there, or a lounge chair. I'm going to put a outdoor mat down first so I can see anything creeping up on me. I don't like being touched without knowing. And yeah, it's a nice chill spot. Even with the shed moved, it is a perfect chill spot. Y'all have no idea how at peace I am out here. I love it. But let me get to recording, enough talking, and we get this thing done. Because I got about 3 hours. All the rafters are up. If you were paying attention and you saw the ratchet strap in hyperlapse, pay no mind to it. That was just there for aesthetics. I didn't take into account, you call them purlins, going across. Also, hair at the bottom. Which I'm glad I still have these, and I still have these. I can't do that part. I can't do that either. When your 9 ampere hour 60 volt battery doubles as a hammer. Yep. So here you see all the cross braces are in. We are good. And that warp is still bothering me. Oh my gosh. But that's what you get for buying a piece of lumber and letting it sit outside for 3 weeks. But all the braces on this side. And we have all the pieces we're gonna need for the other side. These are all 26 to 30 inches. And come home, I gotta put another coat on them, cut them, and these will probably go up Thursday afternoon. Today is Wednesday. Slow progress, but progress nonetheless. It is taking shape. The right side rafters are braced in. Now I am starting the hanging of the see-through tarp. I'm so glad I got these. These were purchased last year in anticipation for this. Alright guys, so I started last night. It got dark, I had to stop recording. But this is what it looks like so far. I already got spider webs. Oh man. Ooh. Yep, I can't imagine what the cover on this. Oh yeah. Getting there. It will not be complete, but complete enough. Just gotta get a roof on. I am currently installing the roof for the greenhouse, which consists of sail shade cloth to help keep the sun from baking the plants, and the clear tarp up top to still let light through. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how far we are. Last night I started running the top tarp and the shade to keep the sun from directly hitting. We have 3 days of storms coming apparently, so I need to hurry up and secure the top of this. Cut the excess cloth off, staple it, and I'm gonna put one vent on that side and a vent on that side. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to cover the backers yet because I'm out of material. I need to cut the 2x4 to bring that together. So I'm gonna do that first. Finish stapling that. Same thing on that side. Then I'll have some 1x's and I'm gonna run on the outside to keep the plastic from doing this. The wind destroying it. I have about 3 hours before we get dumped on. Let me get to work. We are somewhat secure on this side. I'm gonna let the storm determine later on whether I need to put one on here and on the very back. Now to finish the front, put that excess solar netting, and I can do the steps. Then hopefully I can call this I'm good. I have these two vents to install, which are going to go up here at a later date. But steps. Let's make some steps, shall we? It's gonna be done today, and I'm not going to the store. It's not happening. I'll be right back. I'll tell y'all what I'm gonna do. I'll let them chill here. They're gonna be in the shade, so that won't be hot when I come back, because I need a break. It's scorching out here. All right, nothing fancy. Down first. Put him in the middle, right there. Probably come off with that one. First layer done. Make sure y'all can see that. You know, change angle. Now, what I need to do is fill that in with dirt. Or put retaining blocks back there. Retaining blocks sound like a better idea. I'll be right back. All right, let's see what we got. I picked up some other pieces that don't quite measure the same as these I have here, but they are triangular. I'm gonna make them work. Boom, look at that. Look at that. Pick him up. Put a little bit of dirt down there. Give a little height. Scream at me one more again. Scream at me one more again. You got one more time. Why they do that? All right. Got one more triangular piece. He kind of low. Put some dirt on that. If you have made it this far in the video, I appreciate you staying and watching. Okay. Now, I have some irregular pieces I'm going to throw in the back. Help stabilize. so that when I put the others up here, they have something to sit on. Then I'm gonna fill that with dirt so nobody gets a place to hide. All right. Now to figure out the top. Figure I'll start with him. Then let me know what y'all think. A little short steps, but a little close. But it'll work. It'll work. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Every time I finish a project, yeah. Let's see if I got enough strength for this one. Nailed it.